Tell us what we're doing out here. Give us a little.
Alright, so right now we're bowling at Stafford Lands. Oh, it's Dom's turn actually. And I'm about to show y'all, excuse me, I'm about to show y'all how Jews do this. I don't play no games when it comes to these pins and these bowling. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, B-Rock, it's your turn. Go. This is your first one, so like you really better make this count for something.
Come on, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, she's stepping up to the whatever you think is best, sweetie. Yeah. Okay. There we go. She up at the lane. That's going. Bro, she got 2 pins. Yay! You got 2 pins. You got 2 pins. So you know what I'm saying? Look, she's so extra. She don't even put on no bowling shoes. Sorry ass. Why? Yeah. What? What are you doing? I'm talking to the people. Why? No, it ain't no stopping the video. It's Big Thump's turn. You hear me? The big dog. I see the 2 of them. I was like, oh shit. Hello, bud.
Woo! It's a split.
No, there. Yes, I do this.
Okay, so you won. You got second place. I got dead last. I'm a little not good at this. Are y'all all eating?
Hi, I'm Raven Keys. How may I help you?
Hey, how you doing, sweetie?
Great, how are you?
I'm good.
Wait, she said last window, right?
Yeah.
She sounds like a little cutie. Oh my god, wow.
You guys low-key scared me. I wasn't expecting you.
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, we got it? Oh, you paid?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm just chilling. It's fine. We're going in, right? Y'all are going in? Yeah. Oh my god, there's so many people in there.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Hey, didn't someone shoot Canes up?
What Canes was this?
It was this Canes. They shot it. I'm being for real. Hi guys, and welcome to another vlog. So today is May 26th, and it is Beckham's birthday party. So Beckham's birthday is not actually today, but we're having his party today. This is probably like the most effort that any of our family, well, mainly my mom, has ever put in for any party. I'll show you guys, but like it's literally like we're doing the most like for his first birthday. Like you'll see. But I'll show you guys my outfit. I have this top, it's from Urban Outfitters, and then this like overall dress is from Free People. I bought it yesterday because I didn't have any outfit. This necklace is from Princess Polly, and then I'm wearing these heels. I think they're Steve Madden. I got them on my trip with Dope, but yeah, this is my outfit. Everything's like blue and white and gray, and you'll see. So I wanted to do like something that kind of matched it.
He's getting everything off so he can fix it.
This is amazing. This is the best. Guys, this is his puppy party. Look how cute his pet shop is. Did you see his cake? It's the cutest ever. Like, look at these puppies with their hats on. And then like everyone over here, it's like you make them a collar. So like you get like your beads and then you words, and then this is your adoption. So you put the name of your puppy on it and you take your dog. It's like a favor. Have some cotton candy over here. All the people are here now. Photographers, kids. This is a lot. There's so many kids here. Yeah. Oh my god, help. Sintel. How cute. We have some puppy chow. How are you feeling? Are you happy about this party?
So happy about this party. This potty.
Potty. Hey, Bex. Look at all these puppies. We've got tons of puppies. They're so cute. Hey guys, welcome to our vlog. Oh my god, wait, by the way, side note, I love when you Snapchat and you're like, Hey vlog!
I know.
Every time I'm like crying. You always make your stories that. Anyway, okay, me and Bailey are taking Instagram pictures because that's obviously the only hobby that we have. I'm sweating and we have...
It is so hot.
Do you have 3 outfits or 2? 2?
I have 2.
Okay, yeah, so she has 2, I have 3 because, you know, me, I'm always doing the most. So,
Videos.
really? Oh my god, and can I put you in this?
Oh my
Oh,
god.
hi, what's your name?
Isabel.
Nice to meet you. Good morning. So this vlog is picking up way later. As you guys can see, I was going to finish this vlog a long time ago, but then I ended up filming a week in my life. So all the footage that I filmed in that week, I was like, I don't want to put this in the vlog because it's going to be my week in my life. Anyway, what's up? You guys are seeing a really random day, but I wanted to vlog this because I am going to get my hair cut. So it's not that drastic. I want to show you guys now what my hair looks like. It is a little bit past my, well, here's my collarbone. It's like right at the top of my boobs right now. But as you guys can see, it's dead. It is just not as healthy as it used to be. And I don't like the way that it looks dead. I also have like more brassy yellow tones in my hair. So I'm going to get my hair cut and make it look a little bit more choppy and short and healthy. And I'm also going to be dyeing it a little bit whiter, which I know it's like, oh my god, well that defeats the purpose of you making it healthy because you're dyeing it again. But my hair, I was growing my roots out really far, but now I kind of want to blend them with the white that I'm dyeing it. So it's not gonna be roots completely gone, they're just going to be a little bit more blended, but you guys will see. I'm going to show you guys today when I go get my hair cut. I will link Eric's Instagram and everything down below. You guys should go follow him. He's always done my hair and he does an amazing job. He does really cool videos on Instagram. If you guys like hair videos, you guys go follow him. But I will link that down below, and I'm going to show you guys me getting my hair done today. This is my outfit. This top is from Brandy. These jeans are from Urban, my Gucci belt, this necklace is from Urban, this purse is from Forever 21, and yeah, that's all.
They're not on the tray. That works for me.
I need to tell them that you're having me cut my own hair.
Yeah.
Only like a little bit though, so
Only
it
a
looks
little
like
bit.
I'm like, this is what I'm doing. You have to like really place everything.
You gotta
for
like
me.
play with people.
I'll just be like, oh, I'm getting a bob.
I'm getting a bob now. Okay. All right, 1, 2, 3, and go. Scissors, hold it up to where your fingers are. And now go down and cut.
I've never cut my own hair.
That's perfect.
That's so fun. Now I know why people cut their own hair. Like it
Right.
feels fun.
Like,
Actually,
she
I
can
don't
tag
know.
you.
It's just your bun, actually. Like literally,
Does
all
it
they
look like I have
all
a bun?
it's just coming out of your shoulder. No, the thing is I have not cut my hair in probably 2 years, but it has gotten shorter, and it's just because I'm a psycho.
I don't understand, that doesn't make sense.
Like, because it's just so, I dye it so much and it's just damaged, it just like breaks off and
Okay.
never grows. But I actually have not cut my hair in probably 2 years, yeah.
So it just breaks.
Or longer than 2 years.
This is like her first real haircut.
Yeah, like I have not, oh my god, I don't even know when I had a haircut last.
Right now.
Right now.
Right now.
Guys, this is my hair. It looks so good. Wait, let me show you guys in this mirror too. There's Eric back there. I already put your Instagram and everything in this. Yes. They can go watch the video and the transformation and go follow him and stuff. But look, I feel like a new woman. I look brand new. I really feel like this length has to just be a constant.
Stay forever.
Like, it has to stay this length. Looks so much better like this. Yay! In all your cuteness, you look like a little model. Like, I love you. Hey guys, oh my god, I feel like Trisha Paytas right now on my laptop creating this video for you. But I was editing this video right now and I realized I didn't put an ending on it. I didn't close the video out. I look like, who am I right now? Like, actually unsubscribe. But thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I know I'm terrible and I feel like Tana Mojo, like uploading a vlog from like 5 months ago, but I wanted to upload this and I hope you guys liked it. I'm gonna try and vlog a lot more. I know I always say that, but it's just been super hectic. But I'm traveling to Seattle. I'm going to Huntington Beach this weekend. I'm also going to New York, and I'm gonna have so much fun this summer traveling and stuff. So I know I want to document all that and vlog it for you guys. So yeah, subscribe if you guys aren't. I'm so sorry I'm ending this video on my laptop and the footage is ratchet and I'm ratchet and this pinky nail is broken. Okay, I will see you guys another time. Bye!